just thought I'd make a video for you today in regards to Nexo. I personally hold some Nexo myself. I use it as mainly I use Nexo as a platform to withdraw, convert my crypto to fiat and withdraw. It's a very simple process. But I'm just going to give you a bit of background information for anyone who doesn't know anything about Nexo. So here we go. What is Nexo? Nexo is a blockchain-based lending platform that offers users instant cryptocurrency backed loans. Users deposit a token such as Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, XRP, and they can use it as collateral to receive a loan in the form of fiat currency or stable coin. Obviously that's fantastic because it's just like getting a loan from the bank without the whole kerfuffle of credit checks and so forth. It's quite a simple way to get some funds if you need it. The project Nexo has been around since 2018 and was founded by a team of finance professionals and crypto enthusiasts. In 2018, they launched the Nexo platform, offering the world's first crypto credit lines that allowed digital asset holders to obtain fiat currency and stable coin loans against their crypto. It goes into a bit more detail in regards to who Nexo are, what they're about. As we can see, they, if you picked up some Nexo when they first launched, they were sitting at about 7 pence here. So, they were sitting at about 7 pence, which is not too bad. And the all-time high is sitting at about, let's have a look, £2.80, which is unbelievable. So if you picked up a bag here at 7 pence, you would have made a nice tidy profit. I do hold some. I think I've bought some Nexo since it was about say 90 pence. Now it's 117, so I'm up a little bit but not too much. The current market cap is at 652 million, so there is potential for growth there with them, which is fantastic. The circulating supply is decent, we must say. So there's room for that market cap to grow. Is there a potential for Nexo to do a 10x and become maybe a £10 coin with a 6 billion market cap? I believe so. I believe there is potential. The platform is very easy to use. It's quite secure. I've never had any issues with it myself. There is some issues I've heard in the crypto space in regards to if you're taking out the crypto backed loans. There's times where people have got liquidated without warning. So you have to be wary with those kind of things. I don't take out any crypto backed loans. I'm not really in the space for this. I've done it with Aave. Don't get me wrong. I've done it with Aave. So let me reiterate that. I do take out crypto backed loans, but not with, say, centralized finance services. I'll take it out on DeFi services because I don't know. I feel like the risk is less. The risk is less with DeFi. I'm in control of it. I can see the exact figures. There's no company. There's no central company behind it who, for whatever reason, may decide to liquidate my funds to help their ball. I don't know, but I just don't do it. So it's entirely up to you if you want to do that. So yeah, there is growth here. There's potential. If we go, we've seen one here where someone complained of being liquidated. So they had a substantial amount of Bitcoin liquidated without warning over a month ago. The liquidated asset was not taken off my loan amount, has not been returned. Customer service is poor, and they're saying to look into it. So that's just one case. And it also states that they have insured funds up to 375 million. Now, what that entails is that your funds are not, for example, if you've got some funds, some crypto in Nexo, and Nexo get hacked for any reason, it's they're insured for 375 million. It doesn't necessarily mean that your own personal investment is insured for 375 million. So with that case, I had probably XRP, had a lot of XRP in Nexo, and because I wasn't comfortable how with reading about their insurance and so forth, I left a little bit of XRP into Nexo and moved some of it over to a decentralized wallet, in which I'm in control of. I'm in control of the keys and so forth. But it's not all negative. Excuse me. It's not all negative at all. I think Nexo are really good. They're really interactive with their community. I'm often getting various lots of emails from them to keep me in touch with anything that I do within my account, how much interest I've earned on a weekly basis. If there's any bear with me, if there is any activity, so if there is any activity on my account, I get notifications instantly to withdraw your crypto to fiat. Does not take long at all, and it's really good. We can earn up to 12% on your idle assets. So more than likely, not on this Nexo account, on a different one I've got, I just put pounds in it. So when I get my salary, whatever I don't need, whatever I'm saving, instead of putting it in a normal savings account, I may put some of it into Nexo. Not all of it, because we need to mitigate risk just in case. You never know. But I do put some of it and earn 12% on my pounds. On my bank account or savings account, I'm earning 0.01%, which is a waste of my time. Fully well knowing that the bank is lending out my money. So I'd rather do this. But yeah, here you can see it's quite simple if you want to top up. So if you've got your Nexo token and you want to top up, you can buy your Nexo from elsewhere. Qcoin is one that I use, and send my Nexo over. Here you can withdraw it. You can manage the wallet. So here you can go into your Nexo wallet, and it tells you, what kind of terms we've got. Interest up to 12%. So you can open your interest breakdown. You could do a fixed term, and say for example, if we wanted to put our Nexo, so we've got 41 Nexo for 3 months, interest rate of 9% plus a bonus 2%, or plus a 12 months. So if we're going to keep it in, you just, you do that. And literally, it goes in. So as you can see, we're doing it at the moment. It's going to run out on the 3rd of October. So far, I've earned 0.08 Nexo on what I've got, and you can manage it that way, which is really good. You can do that with various other tokens as well, and they've got their level. So their loyalty level depends on what kind of interest rate you get. At the moment, I've got a little bit of Nexo in there, so at least 10% Nexo in the portfolio gives me a better interest rate, as you can see. So on stable coins, we're getting 12%, so 10% plus 2% Nexo. And you can choose whether you want it paid out in the currency that you're depositing. So if you want to earn interest on your Bitcoin and you want to receive Bitcoin, you can choose that option, but it does reduce the percentage that you're going to get. If you deposit your Bitcoin and you want to earn Nexo token, you get a higher interest rate. And as you can see, you've got some free withdrawals here. So I get 5 free withdrawals a month. I get paid on the Nexo tokens interest. Your borrowing rate is lower, as we can see, at 6.9%. So yeah, obviously you got some details here of your verification levels. The Nexo credit card I don't have. I signed up for it, so I'm just kind of waiting to see when that goes through. When it does, I will do you a video on that. But yeah, this is Nexo, and as we can see here, your credit line is my credit line is available. So you borrow with automatic approval, no credit checks whatsoever. So I've not got much in here, but say if I wanted $89 worth, I needed some money, I could just take out that against my XRP, and you know, when I've made some profit on it or when I've got some money, I then put it back, which is quite good. And they do cover you know, a lot. Their transactions are very detailed. You can even take it off on a CSV file for your own records, which I do at least every 3 months, depending on the amount of transactions that I have done. On the amount of transactions I've done, I just normally download a CSV file. Here you've got the exchange. So the exchange is very simple to use. The fees are not too bad. So if you've got your pounds or euros or your dollars in here, you can use your pounds and buy quite a number of currencies. As we go through here, you can see they've got quite a lot, and it's very easy to use. Okay, you can also sell your crypto. So if we want to sell some of our Nexo tokens that we've got here, you can sell them and receive some dollars, or pounds, or so forth. And you can also swap. So it's quite simple to swap. So say we wanted to swap, say we've got some USDT and we wanted to swap that for some Nexo, you can do that. Swap it for some Ether, you know. So there's quite a lot of options here. This is their governance vote, which is all done. Before they used to pay a dividend per year for the amount of Nexo tokens you hold, whereas now Nexo token holders will receive about 12% interest per annum paid out daily. And that's something that I really like. I don't want to have my tokens in somewhere that's going to take me ages to see those returns come in. I like to know that those profits are coming in every day. Obviously, bigger balance on Nexo, bigger returns you're getting every day, but it's definitely something worth looking into. So yeah, this is a quick brief overview of Nexo. I'll leave a link in the description below in regards to them, and if you want to know any more information or you want me to talk you through certain things you're going to do or sign up, we will start soon a consultation service to help you through crypto. You know, we want to make sure that everyone's doing everything correctly, safely, and not putting themselves at risk. So thank you very much for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you do. Thank you.